In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow app notifications to appear on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher, and you want to type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to go down and select apps. And then on the right, you select notifications. Where it says manage app notifications, go ahead and select that. And then any apps you want to enable notifications for, just click inside that oval to toggle it to the right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.